You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. The name of Hungarian origin, masculine first name, given name, Hungarian pronunciation. Imre. If you want to learn more Hungarian, I've got more videos for you. Stay tuned. Just a second. Imre. Therefore, in English, you can simply say it as Imre. Imre. Imre from Hungarian pronunciation, how to pronounce Imre. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.